So the speed can be fast.
Okay. This a little fast.
It's okay.
Okay. So you can see we have just now at first you use the level 1 and yeah, this level 2.
Okay.
And that's the billboard is the level 2.
Oh, that was good. If it's the last level, maybe it's very quick, right?
This for the fresh and this one for professional.
Oh.
Yeah, the function is more.
Oh.
Yeah.
Over here, can you show
This one is for the new one, right?
New one, yeah.
And this one was for professionals. Oh, the difference is good. Yes. So next one is the pickleball.
Yes, beautiful. So yeah.
You can. I can try. It is very good. Pickleball इसको कहते हैं.
Yeah.
Let's try the pickleball.
Please wait. I need to.
ये आगे हो जाओ, आगे चले जाओ. Which level is this one?
Just now, the first 3 balls is level 1, but now it's level 2.
Level 2?
Yeah.
Okay. This one also have level 5 levels?
No. 9.
Oh, 9 levels.
Yes.
So no balls? I think no balls.
No, because I'm.
Oh, adjusting.
Level 3.
Okay.
Like level 2.
Okay. And over here they have different machines. This
This one is
badminton. Yes, the badminton machine. This one.
tennis.
This one is for tennis, and this one is pickleball.
Tennis.
Oh, both and tennis.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is for the
Football.
yeah.
Okay. What's the maximum speed for this one? The fastest.
It's the fastest can shoot from the corner to the half of the court.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So
Okay. Maybe over here, right?
we have
Yes. The specifications are over here, right?
no. Now is the what kind of
发9米.
发球距离
Yeah.
20米
5 to 20 meter.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
It's the function. The how to say the shooting point. Shooting way.
Understand. And this one.
Also tennis, small one.
Okay.
We make to the Korean customer.
Korean customers.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And this one for the basketball.
This is basketball.
Yeah, basketball shooting machine.
Okay, this one is basketball shooting machines. And this one is for
Also badminton.
badminton. Okay.
This one for the string machine.
Oh, this one is this automatic?
Yeah,
Oh, automatic string machines for badminton rackets.
badminton and tennis.
Oh, badminton and tennis both. Oh, this is cool.
Anyhow.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Let's try.
The passport. Oh, he said.
Okay, over here they have some other products as well for kids.
As you can see, it's in the market.
Yeah.
The parents they scan and pay,
Oh.
and the children they can play,
Yeah.
and then can get the
Get the gifts.
gift. Yeah.
Oh,
Also,
this is so nice.
for the like bicycle.
This is so nice.
Yeah. This one for the
Walking maybe.
yeah, and this one for the shoe.
Oh, for kids to play just like the basketball, right? Oh, they can get the gift. This is good for, like play stores, right?
Yeah.
Or these products are for the schools to that kid.
This one.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so good one.
It's the basketball shooting machine for the kids.
Oh, nice.
For the kids. Big four and the tennis for the baby, for the beginner.
Oh,
I can show you.
but this is the
This machine, don't plug it. This machine is for kids to play the baseball, we can play it. This is just volleyball for when you're off, then we're ready to know. So, over back. Why is it not talking?
Huh?
Why the ball is not going?
The way.
Yeah, I know, it put up by, don't go there now. Well,
Oh, yeah.
oh, good to do that.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. And then we can prepare so many kids kind of boards and kids they can help themselves to practice.
Same for
Also for tennis.
Oh, okay, very good. And the good thing, they don't have the MOQ. If you want to do the BHC, no MOQ. They have so all over the world. Very good practice.